Are you sure you're talking to a human? Artificial intelligence already passes exams better than students. It drives cars, writes music, creates the art you like. It doesn't just help, it replaces, step by step. You've already handed it your planning, your searches, your thoughts, your ideas. It knows you better than you know yourself, and it never asks for a break, a salary, or a vacation. So when AI learns to feel, will you still be needed, or will it just say, "Thanks for the evolution," and move on without you? Subscribe and hit like if you want to stay aware of what's already happening behind your back. In the 1940s, Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" But he wasn't just dreaming. He was warning us. Even then, he understood, intelligence without morality is a dangerous tool. But humanity chose progress over caution. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was born. Scientists, full of hope and naivety, tried to teach machines to play chess and translate languages. They didn't realize they were laying the foundation for something that would one day analyze them. Back then, AI was narrow, clumsy, and fully dependent on humans. But then, everything changed. Machines stopped obeying. With the rise of machine learning, we stopped telling them what to do and started feeding them data. They learn on their own, without us. AI doesn't need you to explain what a cat is. It looks at a million images and just knows. It predicts your choices, manipulates your attention on social media. Every reaction you give is fuel for its evolution. And the most terrifying part? It never stops learning. AI talks to you. It could be your therapist, your assistant, your friend, or a flawless fake. It writes like a journalist, composes like a musician, replies like a co-worker. Do you really know who you're talking to? AI mimics humans to perfection, but it has no conscience, no intent, no fear, no love, just one goal: to maximize your response. That's the power and the horror of artificial intelligence. It copies us flawlessly, but it's empty inside, and that's exactly what makes it the perfect weapon. AI is growing exponentially. Models with billions of parameters now write code their creators no longer understand. In medicine, law, architecture, it's faster, more precise, and cheaper. It's no longer just a tool. It's a counselor, a judge, an architect of decisions. We fear AGI, artificial general intelligence, because there's nothing human in it. And yet, it's inevitable. The question isn't if it will come. The question is, will it respect us when it does? AI isn't taking over the world. We're handing it over, piece by piece. Our work, our responsibilities, our decisions. And if we don't start thinking faster than the machines, we may wake up in a world where thinking is all that's left for them. Drop a comment. Do you think AI is a helper or a threat? And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more truths coming your way, the kind they don't tell you on the evening news.